Good morning. Let's make a simple tomato rice. Heat oil in a pressure cooker. Add in cinnamon and fennel seeds along with onion, 1 tablespoon ginger garlic paste and 3 tomatoes. Saute till the tomatoes turn mushy. Now add in the spice powders. I'm using 1 teaspoon turmeric powder, Kashmiri chili powder and garam masala powder. Your tomato masala is done. Add in 1 cup of soaked basmati rice, 1 cup coconut milk and 1 cup water. Season with salt. Bring everything to a boil. Cover and cook for 3 to 4 whistles. Your simple tomato rice is done. Now let's make a potato fry to go with the tomato rice. Heat coconut oil. Add in potatoes. Add salt and turmeric powder. Cover and cook for 5 to 8 minutes. Now add in Kashmiri chili powder and mix well. That's it. Potato fry is done. Let's pack the lunchbox. I packed tomato rice, potato fry and plain yogurt, and for snack box it is sliced cucumber. So this is what I packed in my kids lunch box. Hope you like this video. See you tomorrow. Bye bye.